Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope you had a nice 4th of July. Today is July 5th. I'm making a little lunch and gonna be making this month's cast iron cooking challenge is rare exotic meats and something else. God, I just thought of it too. Anyway, I'll put it up on the screen. But there's a butcher shop like north of Seattle that I can go to try to find something to cook, but it's just, you know, it's a matter of getting out there. I am going to Seattle tomorrow, but hopefully I have time to do both. Fingers crossed. Maybe next week I'll try to do something, but for this week I'm going to do a nice piece of salmon and some fresh herb pasta, so because it just sounded good. And I stepped on the scale at the doctor's office and put a little weight on, so I've been trying to cut out a bunch of junk. Haven't been buying really any junk food at all, or buying a lot less junk food, so thought a nice piece of salmon would be good. Alright, got a little penne pasta going, or water I mean. I've found that about a cup, actually about a cup, a little less, keeps me from boiling too much up. Alright, just prepped my, get my burners going. Got my salad prepped. Got my salad spinner. It's like 12 bucks at Kroger. I like salad spinners because it gets rid of all the extra moisture. It was only 12 bucks, so money. And some nice fresh greens. Extra water. You guys can see that, all that water I'm getting rid of. Alright. So I went and got myself a garlic press today because I figured why not. You don't get very much out of that, do you? Get that going. Mushrooms. Get those chopped and get those. Got that. Drain that pasta, and I want to save a little bit of that water. Running around all over the place trying to find one thing that was sitting right in front of me. So I got some Uncle Steve's Gator Shake I'm going to put on here. I don't normally season the skin, but I will this time. Pan's barely big enough, but it'll just have to do. Alright. Got my salmon in, probably a little too late, but what I've got here is I've got some fresh parsley. Pasta. And I'm not very organized today. I've got some fresh basil. magic trick is when I roll it up. A little bit of that pasta water. And I have a lemon here, and I have a microplane. The cover's still there. I get some of that lemon in there, lemon zest. Pack some of the, get some lemon in there. Okay. Flip. It's one of those times I wish I had a mid-size pan. I might go get one now because the pan would be a little bit easier to, you couldn't see that. It's a little crowded, but turn the water off on that. Alright. Dude, making a huge mess everywhere. Throw a bunch of Parmesan cheese on this. Alright, kind of waiting for my salmon. I thought I'd go ahead and try the pasta since it's done. That's what it looks like. I've actually never made this before, just seen it on TV and YouTube. You know, so fresh herbs, mushrooms, a little olive oil, Parmesan cheese, a little bit of the pasta water. Penne pasta, lemon zest, and damn, that's good. Dude, that is really flavorful. It's not too strong of lemon either. Wow. Holy crap. I might almost eat that. I would actually eat that by itself. Maybe a nice chicken breast or something. Or in this case, a piece of salmon, but I really like that. Simple. Not overly complicated. We got black pepper. Those herbs. Drop the lid. Yeah, I highly recommend the pasta. Damn. It's just basil and parsley. Mmm. Wow. Okay, I made a total mess, but this one is for work. This one is for as soon as I'm done with the video, check that salmon. It looks good, I'll tell you that. I think I'm going to have to get a mid-sized frying pan. Nice. Real nice. That looks good. Make sure all the burners are turned off. Let's taste. Alright. There we go. As it slides off. That would have been a really bummer if it fell on the floor. I mean, it'd be funny as hell, but that would have kind of sucked. Oh yeah. Damn, that's good salmon. Forgot to put a little lemon on it. Cause I like lemon on my salmon. Throw a little extra on the pasta. I had more lemon left over than I thought, but no, whatever. Wow. Now I don't eat the skin. I just kind of cut everything off of it, but I better go sit down and eat because I'm just going to sit here and shovel in. I'm still really blown away by that pasta. That was really good. None of the ingredients were super expensive either. I mean, the microplane I bought to get the lemon zest was like $15. Good grief. Alright. I'm gonna go eat. Almost forgot to close out my video. So needless to say, clean plate. Everything but the skin. I don't eat skin. Man, that pasta, that might be my new favorite way to make pasta. I'm going to do that again. That was really good. Okay, thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Check the description for links and whatnot to Shovelhead 8's channel, and also Dee from Natives Tears, her playlist for cast iron cooking. And I'm going to start looking around for a medium cast iron pan. So have a good one. We'll catch you in